buy help Gara token. So this token came under the symbol of Gara. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below. Fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. So this token, as you can see, it's in the pre-sale right now. If you click on the official website, you will be able to relax with this pre-sale page. So as you can see, so first of all, connect your wallet. Click on connect wallet. Select your wallet from here. As you can see, we select the Bitget wallet. Now connect your wallet. So after you connect your wallet, what you need to do, select one of these tokens. You have Ethereum, Polygon, On, and Binance Smart Chain. So select one of these networks, so after you select it, now you can select the token one of these, so USDC or Ethereum, and make sure that you have enough Ethereum if you select it on your wallet. So as you can see, the efficient or insufficient balance. So after that, type how much you want to buy. So here we'll be able to see how much you receive that token. As you can see now, because I don't have any fund on my wallet, I can be able to click on buy Gara. So for you, after you click on buy Gara, the pop-up will be appear here from your wallet to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy Gara token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.